confidence is not the starting point. It's the outcome, the end result. But girls are constantly, they're just taught the total opposite. That confidence should come first, that they should feel confident before they act. That if they don't feel confident, then something's missing. That idea sounds harmless, right? Well, it isn't. I'm Cheryl, and I am the woman I needed as a young girl. If you're raising a girl and waiting for confidence to show up before she tries, speaks, or takes risks, well, this conversation is going to matter to you. Because expecting confidence first, it quietly sets girls up to fail. And I'm going to explain to you why. You see, when confidence is treated as the entry requirement, girls are going to learn something. They're going to learn to wait. They're going to wait to feel ready or brave or wait to feel sure. And guess what's going on while they're waiting? Nothing. Because nothing is actually being built. Confidence doesn't appear just out of nowhere. It forms after movement, not before it. And this is where my recipe for confidence matters. Confidence is not an ingredient, it's the end result. The first ingredient is grit. And grit, my definition, is the courage to act without confidence. It's raising your hand even when you're unsure, trying something new when your stomach is tight. Grit teaches girls that fear is not a stop sign. It's actually part of the process. It can be expected. Without grit, confidence never gets a chance to start. My second ingredient is Moxie. And Moxie's going to show up after that first attempt doesn't go so well. And there's going to be a lot of times that happens. And after the mistake, after the awkward moment, after the disappointment, Moxie's what keeps a girl going when confidence it just hasn't arrived yet. It's perseverance with self-respect. Because part of Moxie is staying aligned with who you are instead of quitting or reshaping yourself to please others. And then this is where actually most conversations about confidence stop. But they miss the most critical ingredient, the one that I added that I think is so important, especially in this day and age. It's critical thinking. It's what allows girls to make sense of their experiences. It's the skill. It's a skill that helps her ask questions like, what actually happened here? Or what can I learn from this? What's mine to take responsibility for? And what isn't? Without critical thinking, girls are going to internalize their failures and they assume that mistakes mean that they're not capable. With critical thinking, failure becomes information, and that's it, not identity. Critical thinking is what turns grit and Moxie into confidence instead of exhaustion. It helps girls evaluate pressure instead of absorbing it, and it helps them question unrealistic expectations instead of blaming themselves. And helps them understand that discomfort, it doesn't mean danger. When confidence is expected first, girls, they don't learn to think, they learn to perform. They learn to look confident instead of understanding themselves. And that's why so many girls appear capable on the outside and they feel unsure on the inside. You see, confidence doesn't come from pretending you're ready. It comes from learning how to navigate your uncertainty. Grit gets girls moving, Moxie keeps them going, and critical thinking helps them understand the journey and to navigate it. And confidence is what shows up after those three ingredients have had time to work. When parents flip the order, everything changes. Instead of asking, why isn't she confident? You're going to start asking, is she practicing grit? Is she building Moxie? Is she learning how to think through challenges? Those questions, they build skills, and skills build confidence. Girls don't need confidence to begin. They need the tools to begin without it. Resetting this lie removes pressure, and it replaces waiting with action. And it gives confidence a chance to grow naturally where it belongs. If you want to learn more about building real confidence through grit, Moxie, and critical thinking, you can visit my website for tools and resources designed to support girls without pressure or performance.